Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Yasmin. Today's video is going to be super helpful for you because I'm going to talk about you how to create an English speaking environment. I know that it's a common problem of every learners. They think that how to create it. How to create, is that something that we have to move another city or another country? But let me tell you, you don't have to move anywhere. So this is the thing I'm going to talk about it in this video. So let's dive in. The first thing first, you have to listen more. Why is that? You know what, we all know there is four aspects when it's time to learn any language: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. This is the four steps you have to follow if you want to learn any language. And listening is one of the vital, I would say, while playing a vital role of our English journey. I know some of my video I already shared it. I already told you that reading is playing a vital role. But why is that? Have you ever think about it? Let me tell you, let me give you an example. You know, I am the witness, like I am from West Bengal and my mother language is Bengali. So I had no idea what's the Hindi language is. Even I have no idea like how to learn it because I never learned Hindi through taking notes, through writing something or keeping journal or learning vocabulary in Hindi. Not at all. You know what? Since childhood, I love to watch cartoons. Even I mentioned one of my videos that I love to watch cartoons. Because of cartoons, I learned Hindi. Because of cartoons, I learned English. This is the fact. Why I'm telling you to watch cartoon? Because they are simple and lucid, bro. Why you are so complicated? You just need to relax. You just need to consume the language. And through cartoons, I learn Hindi. So as you know, my native language is Bengali. So around me, all the people talk to Bengali. Even my friends, my teachers, everyone. But the thing is, I want to learn English. I want to talk in English. Then how? That is the question. So ever since I started learning English, I try to watch content in English. It doesn't mean that I watch only web series or movies for my fluency or for my English. I try to watch cartoons because this is the only thing I loved the most at that time. Still watching cartoons because I loved the thing. It's not about you have to watch content in English, any content. No, it's about whatever you love to watch it. Try to watch it in English. Maybe all the characters you can find different because maybe in your native language you can see another actor, in English you can see another actor. Because there is no fact is that it means that you have to learn it. This is the fact. So I want you to start watching cartoons because they are playing a vital role of our English journey. I told you, listen. The more you listen, the more you adopt the language, and this is the fact. Second thing you can do is that you have to read a lot. You know what, I always try to remind myself is that I have to finish one book every month, every 1 month, because I have 1 month, so I have to finish this book. This is the consistency that I maintain. So I always told you, reading and listening, both are playing a vital role. So try to start reading. It's not about you have to finish the book. It's not about that you have to get the some of the fancy vocabulary. It's about how much you understand the story in that book. If it is a self awareness, how is that something you need to understand? Try to search on Google, try to search on YouTube. That is the thing you have to do if you need to create an environment. And one more thing is that you have to build your basic fundamental, is that I mean that if you don't any idea about your basic things, then how could you say that you are not allowed to learn this language? What you have to build a basic fundamental. If you have no idea about your basic, if you have no ideas, I mean around you, what this called this furniture, what is called like these books or the square types things, then you have to need, I mean, you know what, it takes time to get the fluency. It requires your times, it requires your energy. You know what, before I wrapping up this video, there is one more thing, is that if you have hunger to learn this language, then there is no matter what it takes, you're gonna make it. This is the fact. The thing is how much hunger you have and how much determined you are. This is gonna matter for your learning journey. And that's all for today, and I hope you liked this video and share it with someone who is also learning this language and want to create an English environment that's gonna help them to create it by themselves. Thank you so much for watching this video.